Last week, Huawei delighted tech enthusiasts with the unveiling of their newest addition to the affordable earbuds series, the FreeBuds SE2. This remarkable successor to the FreeBuds SE model brings a host of exciting features and improvements to enhance the audio experience for users. Available for purchase in China, the FreeBuds SE2 is priced at a mere 179 yuan or about $25. Making it an attractive and accessible option for music lovers and tech-savvy individuals alike. One of the standout features of the Huawei FreeBuds SE2 is its impeccable appearance. Both the earbuds and the charging box exude elegance, boasting a sleek ceramic white color that adds a touch of sophistication to the overall aesthetic. The clean, minimalist look of the earbuds is complemented by their ergonomic appearance, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for users during extended listening sessions or physical activities. With a semi-in-ear design, these earbuds strike the perfect balance between comfort and stability, making them ideal for extended wear. Weighing just 3.8 grams per earbud, the FreeBuds SE2 are incredibly lightweight, ensuring that users can enjoy their favorite music or podcasts without any discomfort or irritation. The ergonomic appearance also helps in creating a secure fit, which is especially valuable for active individuals who enjoy workouts or outdoor activities, without worrying about the earbuds slipping out. Equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, the FreeBuds SE2 deliver an exceptional audio experience. The improved stability of the connection ensures a seamless and uninterrupted listening experience, even in crowded areas with lots of signal interference. Furthermore, the low latency connection reduces any noticeable delay between audio and video playback, providing users with an engaging experience for gaming, video streaming, and more. The Huawei FreeBuds SE2 make pairing effortless, particularly for users with Huawei smartphones. When the charging case is opened, the earbuds automatically enter pairing mode, making them instantly discoverable by the smartphone. This intelligent pairing feature is further enhanced by a pop-up notification on the Huawei smartphone, simplifying the process and allowing users to start listening to their favorite content without any fuss. Battery life is a standout feature of the FreeBuds SE2. With an impressive 9 hours of playback time on a single charge, users can enjoy their music or calls throughout the day, without worrying about battery depletion. Additionally, the charging case extends the usage time significantly, providing a total of 40 hours of playback before needing to recharge the case itself. Even if users find themselves running low on battery, a quick 10-minute charge can offer up to 3 hours of playback time, ensuring that the music never truly stops. For those who love to personalize their audio experience, the FreeBuds SE2 can be integrated with Huawei's Smart Life app. This user-friendly app allows users to monitor the earbuds' battery status, so they always know when it's time to recharge. Moreover, the app provides the option to customize touch commands, enabling users to tailor their earbuds controls according to their preferences, whether it's skipping tracks, adjusting volume, or activating voice assistance. Overall, the Huawei FreeBuds SE2 showcases the company's commitment to delivering innovative and accessible audio solutions for a wide audience. With its stylish appearance, impressive audio performance, and attractive price point, the FreeBuds SE2 aims to be a strong contender in the competitive market of true wireless earbuds. I hope this video was useful and interesting for you, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.